Welcome to a new video of Brain Spanner that could change the way you look at your daily routine. Wake up early every day so that while others are still dreaming, you can make your dreams come true. Ever find yourself tangled in the sheets, contemplating life while others are already conquering the day? Today, we're not just talking about waking up. We're talking about owning your mornings, turning that groggy snooze struggle into a symphony of success. Are you ready to break free from the morning fog and rewrite your daily script? Well, buckle up, because in this video, we're unraveling the secrets of the miracle morning by Hal Elrod. Get ready to sprinkle some magic on your mornings and witness the transformation ripple through your entire life. Stick around until the end. Trust me, you won't want to hit snooze on this revelation. Let's not just wake up, let's rise and shine like never before. But before we jump into the life-changing routine, let me share a quick story. It's a groggy Monday morning and my alarm blares in the dark. The struggle to get out of bed feels like an epic battle. Sound familiar? That's when I stumbled upon the miracle morning, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. Now, let's unlock the secrets to a morning routine that kickstarts your day with purpose. Alright, waking up is hard, no one's denying that, but here are a few tips to resist that snooze temptation. Move that alarm across the room, get your body moving, brush your teeth. It's a mindless activity that eases you into wakefulness. Splash some water on your face to banish the morning fog. And don't forget to hydrate. Now that you're up, let's talk about lifesavers. Silence. Embracing silence for just 5 minutes can be a powerful tool in your morning arsenal. This can take the form of meditation or deep breathing exercises. By engaging in these practices, you create a mental sanctuary, allowing negativity to dissipate. This brief period of serenity serves as a reset button for your mind, promoting clarity and a sense of calm before diving into the demands of the day. Affirmations. Affirmations act as the vocal manifestation of your aspirations. Take a moment to craft positive and empowering self-talk that aligns with your goals. These statements, repeated daily, serve as a powerful reminder of your capabilities and aspirations. By integrating affirmations into your morning routine, you set a positive tone for the day, cultivating a mindset geared towards success and personal growth. Visualization. Visualization is the art of bringing your dreams and goals to life within the theater of your mind. Whether or not you subscribe to the concept of the law of attraction, visualizing your desired outcomes can be a potent motivator. This practice involves mentally immersing yourself in the achievement of your goals, fostering a sense of determination and focus that transcends mere wishful thinking. Exercise. The E in the Miracle Morning Routine stands for exercise. Taking just a few minutes each morning to engage in physical activity can significantly boost your energy levels. This doesn't necessarily mean an intense workout. It could be as simple as a brisk walk, stretching, or yoga. The aim is to get your heart rate up and infuse your body with the oxygen it needs to kickstart your metabolism and enhance mental clarity. Reading. Dedicating time each morning to reading is a commitment to continuous learning and personal development. By aiming to read at least 10 pages a day, you open the door to a wealth of knowledge. The cumulative effect of this daily habit is transformative, equivalent to consuming multiple personal development books each year. Reading expands your horizons, offering insights and perspectives that contribute to your growth. Scribing. The final element, scribing, is essentially the act of writing. Whether it's keeping a journal, jotting down your goals, or reflecting on your thoughts, putting pen to paper helps you capture and clarify your ideas. This process of externalizing your thoughts fosters a deeper understanding of your inner world. Scribing becomes a valuable tool for self-reflection and a tangible record of your journey, making your aspirations more concrete and actionable. Remember, customize these lifesavers to fit your needs, but keep it under an hour. This isn't a checklist you have to do. It's a toolkit to upgrade your morning routine. Try it out, see what works for you, and let the magic happen. So, there you have it, the miracle morning routine that can transform your life. If you found these tips helpful, give that like button a little love, and if you want more insightful content like this, hit subscribe. I want to hear from you too. Share your thoughts on morning routines in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, make every morning a miracle morning. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.